Can you libre me?
No.
Hello guys, nandito pala kami sa...
So you can buy for yourself. Tama ba ang cute?
I have more food there. Ayun, sa ilong ko. Mabang.
It's baby. Sana baby.
Sana all I'm baby.
Hi, magay ka muna to my cam.
Say hi, my vlog.
Hi guys. Nagpa-vlog ka?
Oh.
Yeah, hi. Look, this is our store. This is card
Yeah.
for if you want.
Yes.
And this is the QR code, I think. If
What
you
is that?
something buy like this, you need to punch. Where is the punch here? Like this one.
No.
No,
Oh.
not this one. I think. Yeah, I think here. Punch. No. Oh my God, I'm so banok. How can I punch this?
No, here maybe.
It's card.
Ay.
It's a for card reader.
Okay, we have the people coming. Have someone coming. Stop it. Someone interrupting us, so we need to stop. So, hinihintay namin yung kasama namin.
Na tumatay.
Tumatay. Yan yung friend kong maganda.
Patingin yan ang vlog mo.
Hi.
Patay mo nga yan. Patingin mo.